Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to get the best rewards in Monopoly Go? Here's the new and easy reroll method to maximize your chances. Let's go. First of all, open Monopoly Go and ensure you have enough dice rolls to play. The more rolls, the better. Rolls the dice as usual and keep an eye on the rewards you get. If the rewards aren't what you are aiming for, it's time to reroll. Here's the trick. Exit the game and go to your phone settings. Find Monopoly Go under your apps and clear the app's cache or data. Don't worry, your game progress is linked to your account so nothing important is lost. Now reopen the game and log back in. Your dice rolls are restored, and you can try your luck again on the board. And that's it. With this new reroll method, you can make the most of every turn. Good luck and may the dice be in your favor. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.